Hey guys, what's up? Check it out. Another Hampton Bay. I don't think I'm gonna do the tour of the house like I said I would because it's just too complicated. It's really big, so maybe I'll do a fan video house in the house thing, but not right now. Alright, so I don't know what type this is. I know it's a 52 inch Hampton Bay, but comment below for the name and I'll put it in the title. So anyways, I'll show you the fan, and here's the remote that you guys saw earlier. Yeah, that light's really nice. It dims and stuff. Alright, so it's apparently, yeah, for some reason it's not going. Let's see, try it over here. Oh well, turn on high for you guys. Well, that works. Someone messed with the fan. Whoever installed it incorrectly, because this is actually high as low, and low doesn't even work. I haven't even tried it. And it's losing the cover for this. So this is all it does, is this for high speed, which is very strange. Here, I'll go upstairs and show you guys the top view. Gosh. Let's see if we can control it from up here. No, that's just gonna slow it down. But that is awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't that long, but take care, guys. Have a great day.